Hey guys, welcome back to another analysis. In today's trader breakdown, we're looking at the performance of Kateřina from the Czech Republic. She's been trading on $200,000 account, and in this fourth cycle, she delivered some very interesting results. We'll walk through her strategy, biggest wins and losses, and some practical takeaways you can apply to your own trading. So let's jump in. Okay, Kateřina made a 5,600 profit, which equals to 2.8%. Her profit factor was 1.88 and her win rate was 55%, with 18 winning trades and 15 losing ones. There are solid stats, especially considering the size of her account and the volatility of the markets. She trades intraday only, no overnight positions. This is important because it allows for more control and less exposure to unpredictable moves while sleeping. Almost every trade had a defined take profit and stop loss, which shows discipline in risk management. Kateřina doesn't rely on hope. She pre-calculated every possible loss, which kept her trading decision grounded, even when the market didn't go her way. That kind of discipline is what separates consistent traders from gamblers. So let's break down her best trade, which happened on Ústav. After a sharp spike in price and a choppy sideways trend, Kateřina spotted a potential reversal and entered a short. The price reversed into a downtrend and continued falling after. There was a second rejection at this point. She held the trade until here and walked away with $6,600 of profit. Entry was right here and the exit point was right here. Stop loss and take profit were both set at these levels. And the profit, as I said, 6,600. A great example of trend identification and letting the trade breathe without emotional interference. Her largest loss was also on the same symbol. She entered a short position here after a sharp move up and during what looked like a downtrend, but by this point the next day the market shifted into a strong uptrend and she exited with a loss of $3,229. In this case, her stop loss was set but take profit wasn't defined, which could have affected the exit dynamics. The entry point was right here and exit point was right here, and stop loss was set at this level. There was no profit target. That resulted, as I said, in a loss of over $3,000. This is a great reminder that even when the setup looks good, markets can shift fast, and having both stop loss and take profit in place can help you stay on track. So how is her performance over time? Kateřina has been through multiple cycles with very mixed results. The first cycle, almost 2% gain. Then second cycle, minus 6%, third cycle, almost minus 7%, in fourth cycle, almost 3% gain, and fifth cycle, almost 5%. While the early cycles were tough, her recent improvements show that she's learning and adapting. What she's doing well: she sticks to her plan. She's not afraid to take a loss. She continuously uses stop loss to protect herself. Her trades are based on logic, not emotion. What could be improved? I would say trade timing. A few entries were suboptimal. More precise entries could improve win rate and profit size, and tighter stop losses might help limit the size of losing trades. The overall trend, she's moving in the right direction. The key is consistency and reflection. So what can we learn from her journey? Keep learning and adapting. Growth comes from reviewing and improving. Focus on what you do best and keep sharpening it. Trading is not gambling. Don't make it one. And finally, even if it looks like the trend is in your favor, always protect yourself with a stop loss. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give it a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and if you're ready to test your trading under real conditions, join our next cycle. You might be the next trader we feature right here. Good luck out there.